Hello, in this video I'm going to show how we can use Google Colab to write Python codes. So just note the link, which is collab.research.google.com, or simply you can search for Google Colab on Bing or Google search and you'll get the link. So it's collab.research.google.com. Like I said, simply click on the link and it will open in a new tab. And be sure you are logged in with your Google account in order to save all the codes in your drive or in your Google Drive's account. Okay, so see, these are some of the files which I have previously created. It's just showing here, like once you start working with it, you will get this page whenever you open the link. And okay, so now I'm going to click on file menu, and from here I will access a new notebook. Okay, so once I click on it, here we get a new page which contains of, so here we get a new page, and see here it's untitled 5. So here you can rename the notebook. Let's say I just type of basic Python codes. Okay, and you can see that here it comes with an extension which is IPYNB. Okay, so that is the extension of the notebook, and like the notebook looks like this. Okay, so here this is like a code block. These are the code blocks. So see how the notebook looks like. Here you have a file menu, edit menu, view, like a menu bar on top, and then you get two options. One is for code and one is for text. Okay, so when we click on the code block, we get something like this, which is this one itself. Here we can write the Python codes and simply click on this play button, which is for running the cell. Then the output will be shown immediately after the code. And also we can add a text associated to the code. Like what happens in normal IDE is that we add some text using the comments. So here you have this text option to add, like if you are taking notes in your class or maybe you're studying for something, then it's very helpful. You can just write, maybe you are studying about variables, you are studying about data types, so you can simply keep a note of it, then you can write a piece of code. Okay, so this Google Colab, it is actually a hosted Jupyter notebook service. Okay, it doesn't require any setup. It is cloud based, and using this we can write and execute our Python code through the browsers. So that's it. This is all about. And see, once you have written some code, like I'll just write something over here. I'll write a simple print statement like print, and I'll just write India. Okay, if I click on the play button, then see, you can see here it's allocating because it's the first time this is running. It says connecting, here it says saving. Now it says initializing. And then we get the output over here, which is India. Okay, so that's it. That's how we can create codes using the Google Colab. And if you have to download this file, then you just simply click on the file menu. You get a lot of option to save, like simply click on saving, will just save this code. And if you want an offline version of this, then click on download. You can either download this as a IPYNB file. So IPYNB is actually interactive Python notebook. Okay, apart from that, you can simply download this as a .py file, which is the actual file extension for any Python code. Okay, so it asks me whether I'm going to save it or not. I'll click on keep. Okay, so this has been downloaded as a .py file. You can execute this file on any Python IDE that you follow. Okay, so that's it. That's all about Google Colab. And yeah, make sure that you write the codes like this. Like see, here I've written print India, so maybe here I'll just click on text. If I want to double click to enter, I'll just write, maybe I'll just write first Python code. So that's it, it looks like this. Then see, you can see the text here. Maybe after that you have to write some separate code. Maybe you are going to add variables like a is 9, b is 8, and this code, if we run it, see it says 17. And before this, if you want to add a text, so just bring your mouse point over here, click on text, and now we can simply add a text like addition program. That's how you can keep notes related to your program, to your codes, and thus this is known as a notebook. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. So we'll start with the Python codes from the next video, so keep watching.